Alright guys, so it is Carnival Saturday, which is Kiddies Carnival. So I've just took a little trip down in the Savannah. We were here last night for flavor with Marshall, which was excellent. It has so much music. I'm trying to find a quiet spot, but it's almost impossible for Carnival. Marshall really bring the show, man. It was excellent. And after, we lost the car. We thought the car get thief. But anyway, we ended up finding it after about 20 minutes. We went on the avenue. As you saw, we get Hassan Seat. We gone back by Woodbrook Park. They wrecked the car. So we had to walk to QRC grounds to get back the car. And then we went home. It was good vibes no matter what. That didn't spoil the night. And now I'm here to get in some Kiddies Carnival. I think later tonight it's Panorama finals. You seen all it. This is Renegades, the big boys, BP Renegades. This is the Skiffle bunch. I'm just reading the signs here. I'm not thinking like that. But you're seeing the pan and they're getting ready for later. I might take a spin later to show you the background of that. But yeah, let me see if we can get some Kiddies Carnival. Yeah. I'm walking to the Savannah by Napa. See them coming down the street here. Look how beautiful that is. Really nice stuff, man. Check it out. So they're going to line up now here in the Savannah to go on the stage for judging. Let's try to walk on the street now. It's the top of Frederick Street I walked down to, and you can see the entire street, music truck and bands, as far as the eye can see. I don't remember it being this big, but wow. You know, a lot of people would say that if you want to see real carnival, like the beauty of mass, like the mass itself and pretty costuming, you should come to Kiddies Carnival. That's where the creativity lies. You can tell, you can see how beautiful everything is. What's the rose called? $20. $20? Yeah. It's okay, I'm just
Going from.
See, once I see a rose corn, I start to buy it. I am always amazed at the Moko Jumbies on them. Young kids, zero. Young kids. I don't have a lot. I go for. That was a little sneak peek at Kiddies Carnival or the Junior Bands Parade. Excellent. You know, real mass, real creativity. You see the kids having a good time. A lot of hot sun though. They have real stamina. Anyway, Carnival continues. So it's later in the night on Saturday. And Panorama time. You guys can hear the pans. They're practicing here on the outside and we are just seeing Steelpan all over. So we're just going to take it in a little bit. that. Just seen Starlift, we saw Exodus, we saw Phase 2. We just saw Silver Stars, like big bands. And they're playing out here practicing, but it's like a free show, so you can still come and partake and enjoy yourself. Yeah, people So we're closer to the stage, the grandstand. And we see this is the Renegades behind us. I think they're organizing to go up on stage and perform. Hear them. Sounds really good. It is just so crowded, so we're heading back out a little bit. You guys saw them bringing in Starlift, and that is still happening. It is, these bands are so big. All of this is still Starlift going in. It's good to see people supporting, you know, the Steelpan and the culture. BP Renegades, eh? Every Star Wars. Silver Stars. Very crowded, but we got a good preview of Silver Stars practicing. It sounds so good. We're heading into Flavor to get something to eat. Still here and practicing in the back. We got food and we're actually heading back home. So we saw it up, we saw them go up on stage, we saw a lot of practicing happening. We're heading home. But as I said, Carnival in Trinidad continues.